The Andaman and Nicobar Islands spread over nearly 600 miles of sea in the Bay of Bengal between Cape Negrius in Burma and the Indonesian island of Sumatra is a chain of some 300 islands known as the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, also called as the Bay Islands. The islands are situated within a quadrangle formed by 10 degrees north and at 14 degrees north latitude and 92 east and 94 east longitude. The total area of the islands is 8,249 square kilometers, of which the area of the Andaman group alone is 6,408 square kilometers. The Andaman group is constituted by over 200 islands and islets, while the Nicobar group consists of some 200 odd islands. The distance between Calcutta and Port Blair is 1302 kilometers. From Delhi to Port Blair it is 2496 kilometers. From Chennai to Port Blair it is 1362 kilometers. Strait Island is an island of Andaman Islands. It belongs to the North and Middle Andaman Administrative District, part of the Indian Union Territory of Andaman. The island is lying 63 kilometers north from Port Blair. Strait Island is a tribal reservation. The reservation for the Great Andaman is one of the indigenous people of the Andaman Islands. It was built and is managed by the Andaman administration. The Great Andamanese settlement was constructed with concrete houses in rows. Welfare personnel and police quarters. There is a school for children and dispensary for primary health care. There is a lighthouse at the top of the tallest hill on the island. The population at the 2011 census was 54, living in 15 households from the Port Blair harbour. There is a bi-weekly ferry service which is the only mode of conveyance available to go to Strait Island. By the late 18th century, when the British settled on Great Andaman, the Great Andamanese were divided into 10 main tribes with distinct languages, each counting between 200 and 700 individuals. The Great Andaman Islands run in a north-south line for some 350 kilometers but are only some 50 kilometers wide at its widest extent. The Great Andamanese were in reality not one but 10 tribes with separate localities and dialects. The Great Andamanese divided into two subdivisions, that is northern group and southern group. The northern subgroup of Andamanese are also called as Yarava. They include four groups such as Aka Keri or Keri. Second one is Aka Kora or Kora. Third one is Aka Bo or Bo. Fourth one is Aka A Jeru. The Great Andamanese inhabiting in southern part of Andaman and Nicobar Islands are also called as Bojigyab. They include six groups such as Aka or Keda. Second one is Aka or Kol. Third one is Woko or Joy. Third one is A or Pusikawar. Fifth one is Aka or Bale and second one is Aka or Bia. The tribes were further split into smaller units called as septs or local groups and families, and also between shore dwellers, Ayato, and forest dwellers or Eri Metago. All these different tribes were lumped together by the British administrators and outsiders in a broader group named Great Andamanese, later to be distinguished from the Jarwa, the Wongi, and the Sentinelese. When the British established a permanent settlement and penal colony in Andaman Islands in the year 1860, the population was estimated at 3,500 individuals. By 1901, only 625 Great Andamanese were left, and following census reported steadily declined numbers: 455 in 1911, 207 in 1921, 19 in 1931. One extract counted around 100 individuals in 1927. In 1949, the surviving Great Andamanese were relocated to a reservation on Bluff Island in an attempt to protect them from diseases and other threats. In 1951, after independence, their number had shrunk to about 25, mostly from the northern tribes. They became extinct in the mid 20th century but had a few admixed individuals, which went to an all time low of only 19 individuals in 1961. Their number have slowly increased since then to 24 in 1971, 26 in 1981, 45 in 1991, and 43 in 2001. There were about 50 individuals living in Strait Island in 2006 and 52 individuals in January 2010, and presently 54 individuals are living. Today, only Jainu remain in significant number. The Kari, Kora, and Pusikwar groups also identify themselves as Jeru. However, the cultural linguistics identities of the individual tribes have largely been lost. Their numbers now speak mostly Hindi or a mixture of Hindi and other languages. The Great Andamanese population was large, estimated about 3,000 to 3,500 individuals till 1859. The contact with the British led the spread of new diseases like bronchitis, syphilis, measles, etc., and the tribe gradually lost its former territorial rights. Escaped convicts from cellular jail and naval staff transmitted syphilis to Aboriginal women, and the consumption of opium caused a lower birth rate. The outbreak of measles and smallpox took away during 1877 about half of the total number of tribals of South Andaman who had survived the Battle of Aberdeen in 1859. The Andamanese fought and resisted the settlement for many years, living as they had been used to on these islands for ages. The Battle of Aberdeen, May 1859, was probably the worst case of genocide in the British colonial history of tribal encounters. A veritable slaughter caused a sudden decline in the number of young male Great Andamanese. The death of the young Great Andamanese resulted in a decline of population as they constituted the core of the reproductive age group. The consequences was a long-lasting impact on the entire population who could never make up the loss. The British set up the Andamanese homes where the Andamanese were kept and provided medicines and free rations such as sugar, rice, tea and tobacco. Soon the Andamanese were overtaken by alien diseases with outbreaks of syphilis and measles in 1870 and 1877. Measles alone wiped out half of them. Their population started diminishing sharply from 3,500 individuals in the year 1858 to 2,000 individuals in 1888, and 625 individuals in 1901. Their numbers kept dwindling. 405 individuals in 1911 and 2009 individuals in 1921 and 90 individuals in 1931. After independence in the year 1947, a large number of refugees and migrants were also sent to the Andamans for resettlement, which pushed the tribal community to the margins. In 1949, the entire community was relocated to the Tiny Bluff Island, after which their population declined to 23 in the year 1951 and reached an all-time low of 19 in 1961. In the year 1901, the number was reduced to only 625 individuals. In the year 1961, to a mere 19 individuals. In the year 1975, they raised to 23 individuals. In the year 1987, again further raised to 28 individuals. And in 1996, the total population was 37 individuals after the inhabiting in the Strait Island.